have Battle of Colors here today. My customer brought in 2 tractors. The John Deere 8 was restored before. I was thinking about just sanding down the paint, use it for a primer, but I didn't feel comfortable with that, and good thing I did, because when I blasted this tractor down the bare steel, I found areas where it was sandblasted, primed, and painted the proper way, and there's other areas that are painted right over rust. And I find that a lot of times every year I do redo restorations that some I did in the past or had professionally done, supposedly professionally done, and they're half-assed restorations, and they don't meet my standards. So we stripped this one down to bare steel and brought her back up again. We had it all ripped down like we normally do. The tractor sheet metal stuff was pretty nice, and that was pretty straight. So this was an easier restoration. Didn't need a whole lot of parts because a lot of parts were replaced already. So it just needed little incidentals. This here, the Farmall M. This one here was just a common workhorse tractor. It had a work paint job on. This one here was not touched for a huge amount of years. So lo and behold, we ended up putting a new clutch in it. Radiator was beyond repair, so we had to put a reproduction radiator in. And the rims had fluid in, which is a common thing. But the rims were so bad, you can look at my pictures on Facebook, you can see how bad they were. We actually had to cut the rim, and it split apart 3 inches. It was that bad. And the sheet metal was pretty nice on it. Other than that, the tractor wasn't too bad a shape, just a normal wear and tear parts like you always got to do. That, you know, tractors that haven't been touched for a huge amount of years. Other than that, they both turned out pretty nice. They'll be leaving for another state tomorrow, so I'll be sad to see them go, but I'll be glad to see them go because now I get on to the next project. For all your restoration needs, you can give me a call at 920-894-2134. Check out my YouTube channel, Joe's Ave Tractor. You can see other videos of tractors that we restored, and also you can check out our Facebook page of different restoration pictures we had in the shop. So thank you for stopping, and catch you later.